Now let's get into how you can monetize your social media account from day one. And this means you don't need to reach 1,000 subscribers. That is if it is on YouTube. You don't need 4,000 watch hours. You don't need to reach 5,000 followers if you are on Facebook. I will show you how you can make money from your page and your channel from day one. This is going to be a hack that I'll be showing you. And before we get into it proper, I'd like you to know who I am. My name is Timothy Omatule, and I have been doing online business for over 7 years now. And this is me in my office. And what I do, my business is both physical and online. Okay, so what I will be showing you in this training, you can be sure is what I am practicing is what I am also showing you. Let me log into one of my YouTube accounts. This is one of my YouTube channel. You can see I already have over 8,000 subscribers, and I am already earning from this channel. You can see the estimate here. This is just an estimate. 42 US dollar to 126 US dollar per month. Okay, this is an estimate. What I'm earning is different from this, but let's just follow this estimate. Okay, so you can be sure that what you are going to be learning in this training is what I am also practicing. I'm not just telling story. I have been making money online for over 7 years now, so you can be sure of what you are learning. If I launch this program proper, it's going to cost you more, but for now you are going to be paying just stipend to gain access to this training, to this hack that I'll be showing you. Look at this, take a look at this. Now this is just one of my bank statement. You see the period is January 1st to January 31st. That is just 1 month, and you can see I have earned 642,426 naira. This is outside AdSense. This is not AdSense. This one is totally different from AdSense. And what I'm going to be showing you is how you can use this same method that I used to make this money in 1 month. How you can use that same method for you to make money for yourself. Okay, so though I like to add a disclaimer here that I am not implying that you are going to make the exact amount of money I've made here. There are no two results that are exactly the same. You may make more money than me and you may make less, but I can guarantee you, if you follow the steps I'm going to be showing you and you implement it, you are going to be making some money. All right, but I can't guarantee you the exact amount you are going to make. Okay, having done that, let's proceed. It is going to be a video training, and apart from the videos training you'll be getting, I'll also be giving you some bonuses. Now these are the bonuses you are going to be getting if you gain access to that training today. All right, the bonus number one is I will show you how you can create this type of dancing baby AI. Let me play it so that you see it. Okay, so this is it here. You are going to be getting the training on how to create this type of dancing baby AI. Okay, these are some of the ways you can create faceless YouTube videos. Your face doesn't need to show here. For those of you that are camera shy, you don't want your face to show on camera, you can be creating AI videos and posting it on your YouTube channel. Okay, so that is one of the bonuses. All right, you can see this is one of my videos. Let's play this one. So because of copyright, I decided to mute this part. Okay, this is one of them too. I'll show you how you can create all this. You know, people like this type of videos, and that means you are going to be attracting a lot of views to your channel, your pages, wherever you post them. Okay, so that's another cool way to gain subscribers and followers. Then the second bonus is that I will show you 7 proven ways you can grow your YouTube channel fast. All right, so if you are ready to gain access to the training, if you click on that link that is in my pinned comment, just tap on the link, it will take you to this place. And when you are on this page, simply tap on gain access now. In case you want to make payment right away, if you're in Nigeria, all you need to do is to make a bank transfer to this account. This is the account number here, 01644111691, Guaranteed Trust Bank. And my name is Omatule Timothy Omatule. Okay, just make a transfer to this number. So after you have done the transfer, you simply contact me on this phone number and I will give you instant access. But if you are not in Nigeria, simply tap on the link in the description of this video or the link in the pinned comment. So all you need to do is simply tap on the link in the description of this video or the link in the pinned comment, and it will take you to this place. Okay, when you get here, you simply change your currency. It depends on where you are. There are a lot of currency here. Simply choose your own currency and hit buy now. You enter your name, your email address, your phone number. When it gets to this phone number, you are going to select your country first. Okay, select your country from this list. There are lots of countries here, so just select your own country, and once you select your country, you are going to type your phone number here. Okay, make sure your country code is showing here. If your country code is showing here, you don't need your country code here anymore. Okay, so as you can see mine now, my country code is here and here's my number. When you type all that, you are now going to click pay. Okay, so that is it. That is Nigeria, and you are going to click pay now. If you click pay now, it will take you to where you can make payment. Just follow the prompt. It depends on the country you are. Just follow the prompt and I'm sure it is going to be successful. Okay, so that is how you can gain access to the training. I want to congratulate you for those of you that are going to be getting this course now. Some people are already asking that how much is the course, how much is the training. The training is going to be 5,000 naira, but for those of you that are watching this video now, if you have opportunity to watch this video till the end, it means you are going to be getting it at 3,000 naira. Otherwise, the original price for this training is 5,000 naira. But for you that is watching this video now, you are going to be getting it at 3,000 naira only. Okay, so ensure you get it before this video is removed, because I can guarantee you that this video you are watching now is not going to be here forever. Okay, so if you don't see this video, it means it is removed, and that means you won't have the privilege to pay 3,000 naira anymore. Okay, so ensure you get it now before the price goes up. And once you have gotten it, contact me on WhatsApp on that phone number I showed you. Then we'll pick it up from there. See you in the next video. Bye.